Hi guys, today we're watching Arrows Season 2, Episode 17. This is Birds of Prey. Let's go.
Sent you to kill me.
Dad, are you all right? Are you hurt?
Yeah, I'm fine, sweetheart. Listen, I know you don't exactly believe in reading perps and Mirandas, but you can't just toss a guy out of a window.
He shot you.
And I'm still here, ain't I? Just next time, show a little restraint.
That was me showing restraint.
Detective, we have another problem.
Yeah, I know. With Frank Bertinelli in custody, it's just a matter of time before she rolls back in town.
Who's she?
Helena Bertinelli, daughter of mafia boss Frank Bertinelli.
Or as I like to call her, Oliver's psycho ex-girlfriend hell-bent on revenge against her father.
Ex-girlfriend?
That's what you took from that sentence?
Wait, why does she want her father killed so badly?
He had her fiance murdered. She wants payback.
But so many fights I've had with my father.
God! Stand down. Stand down. Don't have me speeding! Enough!
Speedy.
It's just Helena's.
According to the SCPD, the guy that gave Helena a ride into town is a 22-year-old poli-sci major at SCU and a member of Gamma Tau, which totally explains the whole I didn't know I was aiding and abetting a known felon thing. Anyone with boobs can get a frat boy to do anything.
I was a frat boy.
I rest my case.
At least you didn't kill him.
Helena?
Laurel.
ADA Adam Donner announced the return of Laurel Lance to the DA's office after a brief sabbatical. She will lead the prosecution of Mr. Bertinelli. Jury selection starts today.
Non-lethal arrows. It's not like you to play with kid gloves. How's Roy?
Like Helena, he is not too pleased with my skills as a mentor.
Laurel won't drop the case. She's headed to court right now. And where are you going?
To the courthouse.
Well, hey, you forgot your baby arrows. Look, I get your whole no-killing spree, but if it comes down to saving Laurel or killing Helena...
Sarah, those aren't the only two choices.
Well, you were happy enough to let Dig take the kill shot when it was Slade threatening your family.
This is different. I failed, Helena. I created the Huntress.
Yeah, well, you created Slade too.
You're right. You're right. But when it comes to our families, neither one of us thinks clearly. Which is why you have to stay here.
What do you guys think?
Oh, I think if the Huntress shows up, you should totally kick her ass.
Solid plan.
That's odd. Why are they bringing him in through the front entrance?
Everybody get down!
Hey, Dad. Sorry I'm late, but you're a hard man to track down. But it's fitting that you came back to Starling, where it all began. Where you killed Michael.
You know, I almost feel sorry for you.
Helena. Stop this.
Oliver, you know I can't.
Well, what are you waiting for? I said, what are you waiting for?
Helena Bertinelli, put down your weapons and place your hands above your head.
So this was a big trap. With you as the bait. What do they offer you?
They didn't have to offer me anything.
Give up, Miss Bertinelli. The building is surrounded.
What was it you always taught me, Daddy? Be prepared for anything.
Take hostages and fall back.
Where's Locke? Where's Locke? She with you?
Sorry, Mr. Lester, we got separated. She's still inside.
Go, Laurel. I believe in you.
See this, Mr. Donner, is what happens when you let freaks with masks run wild. Get them the hell out of here.
Don't touch me.
Oliver, where are you? Are you okay?
I'm with Lance's Oliver, and he just called the Arrow.
Oh. Oh. It's getting really hard to keep track of who knows whose secret identity.
Let's see, Laurel is still inside the courthouse.
What do you need, Oliver?
My work clothes.
I'm on it.
Put Sarah on the phone.
She's not here.
Where is she?
Thea, we need to break up.
What? No.
What do you mean? No, Thea, I'm breaking up with you.
No, you're not.
You can't make me date you.
Roy, yesterday you gave me a bracelet worth every dime you had, and now what? You want to end things?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Look, you're clearly going through
weird.
something right now, and I'm not going to let you go through it alone. I'm always going to be here for you. I'm so stupid.
You don't want to do that.
Oh, no. Trust me. I do.
What about your sobriety?
How do you know about that?
The A chip on your keychain. 30 days.
Do you even know why I'm here today? Turns out I'm decoration. Expendable decoration.
What do you mean?
This whole trial was a sham. I should have seen it. Sarah was right. Sarah, she's my sister. She said that I wasn't ready to come back, and I just thought she was being overprotective.
Sisters can be like that. You should meet mine.
She's gone through a lot. She must have been so strong. I wanted to show her, show myself, that I was still strong too.
So show me.
It's been an hour, and I'm a woman of my word. Just ask my father.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Behind you!
Oliver sure does like to dress up as girls. We talked that night. You, Oliver, Tommy, and I at dinner. I remember you telling me your fiance was killed. I'm so sorry.
Does this make us girlfriends?
No. But I know what it's like to lose someone.
Oh, poor Laurel. Did Tommy dump you?
No. He died. And I couldn't deal with it. So I became a drunk. Every problem I had, I solved with a pill or a drink. My friends and my family, they tried to help me, but I wouldn't let them. You don't have to do this, Helena. It's not too late.
Yes, I do. Because once you let the darkness inside, it never comes out. Well, this is irony for you, Dad. Didn't you have Jimmy D'Agostino's body buried under the building next door?
I'm sorry, my girl.
Now you're about to die? I'm sure you are.
No. I'm sorry for that little girl I used to take to ballet class. Go on ski trips with. One I used to help with her math homework. Oh, she hated math. I'm sorry that I caused her so much hurt. Because she brought me so much joy.
Nothing too late.
Helena! Don't kill him. You can never come back from that.
It's too late. I'm already gone.
Bye, Dad.
You are not above the law!
Last time this happened, I threw you out a window.
I was holding back. I won't do that again.
She gonna tell us all?
No. It was supposed to be me. It was supposed to be me who did it.
Oh, that's right. Easy enough.
Go. How did you get in here?
My family makes a generous donation to the policeman's retirement fund. Every once in a while, I get to call in a favor.
Maybe you could ask them to send you to prison somewhere tropical.
You know, I thought I'd feel different now that he's dead, but I don't. You always told me that killing him wouldn't change anything. You were right.
I was wrong, too.
About what?
I thought I could help you. Stop you from being a killer, but I was just starting. And I was a killer, too.
And what are you now?
I'm trying to be better.
It's so stupid, but I keep thinking, now that he's dead, my father and Michael are together, and I'm still here, alone.
You're not alone.
I would hope not.
Unfortunately, Adam was not authorized to offer you your job back. I'm sorry, but nothing has changed.
Yes, it has.
Excuse me?
You are going to rehire me, Kate. Unless you feel like explaining to the press that your own assistant district attorney was the brilliant mastermind behind tonight's hostage crisis.
Welcome back. I have to say, I am impressed. I would have thought blackmail was a little dark for you.
Someone recently told me, once you let the darkness inside, never comes out.
What are you still doing up here?
Thinking, crying. And Roy and I are...
What happened?
I caught him with some slut. Right over there, actually.
I'm sorry.
He was doing it to push me away, which clearly worked. I don't know why. Why is it so hard for everyone just to tell the truth? I mean, Roy can't even tell me the truth of why he wants to end things with me. Mom, she keeps all of these secrets. I mean, doesn't it feel like she's still keeping something from us?
I don't know, Thea.
You're the only one that doesn't lie to me, Ollie. You're the only one I know who doesn't keep secrets from me. I gotta go.
Yeah. Oh, let me try again.
No, just want to be alone right now.
I don't think losing CA is gonna do him any good, to be honest.
It's a dangerous city. You shouldn't be out in the streets alone.
No.
Mr. Wilson.
Please. Call me Slade.
That's not good. Another great episode. Yeah, just brilliant. I really, really love this season. It's amazing. I'm gone. Dead. See you next time. Bye.